welcome back to Pretty Sister Brother. Pretty Sister's Brother, because okay, doesn't matter. Yeah, we had a little mistake there, but yeah. So where I have these little Yowi eggs, she ate her chocolate on the way, and our video cameraman Jaden,
we're gonna do
he did his too. No, we're not. So I didn't open mine yet.
Guys, actually, I didn't eat it on the way. I gave it to my mom.
As you see, I didn't open mine yet. And we're going to open it. So, 1, 2, 3. Woo! I ate a little bit. So, yeah. Since mine kind of melted, I had to eat the chocolate to get in there.
Guys, look, you already got yours.
Which I really
You already got yours right there. You already opened yours.
I know, which I really don't want to because
look
it forever. So this is
Look what she got.
She's gonna do hers first.
I got a little lion.
Tiger. That's a tiger. That's a tiger.
A Black Panther.
But now it's time for a brother to show.
We did this for 1 minute and 21 seconds.
It's your turn.
Yeah, look at mine.
Mine didn't show everything else in there.
As you see, guys, I got a frog. I want to see it up closer. You see, guys.
What it comes with.
You see, guys.
Thing.
You see, look at this.
It's a little doggy. But my brother has the little frog.
So you guys, okay. Okay. Now this is our dog. Yeah, let Chico. That's a good.
Chico's part of it too.
Yeah, that's a good boy. That's our good boy.
And this is our
Yeah.
cat called Lexi.
We're gonna end it. We're gonna end it.
In the game.
Alright, guys.
Okay, guys, you see what I'm gonna do?